everybody, welcome back to my channel, CIY Reviews. Today I will be making peach muffins. If you've seen the video I did peaches and cream cheese bagels, French toast, I had a little bit peaches left over. I had to warm it up a little bit because you know when they get in the refrigerator, it get like that little how gravy and different things look when you put it in the refrigerator sauce. So yeah, I had to warm up a little bit. So I'm going to use a little bit of this inside of my batter as well as top off the rest of it. It's already seasoned and everything. Like I said, you gotta look at that video too. A box of cake mix. If you want to do it from scratch, go right ahead. But don't be trying to say nothing about me thinking I'm gonna do it, because I'm not. You feel me? We're just gonna follow the back of the box. It calls for 3 eggs, water, and vegetable oil. I will be using half of the vegetable oil. I won't be using the water. Half and half that I have. I'm gonna use 2 eggs, and the reason being because in that custard that I made, bagel French toast, I had some left over, and they already had eggs in it. So I said I'm gonna count that as 1 egg. Even though I put 2 eggs in it, but you know some of it soaked up the bread, it's gonna count as 1. So in that custard, well, you guys see that video. I'm not gonna sit on this video. I browned some butter, 1/2 cup. That's that brown butter. It was so good. Even though the peach are seasoned, I do want the batter to be seasoned. I add some more nutmeg, this time some cinnamon, and here, that's 1/4 cup of the bourbon that I will be using. So that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna also use this too, as well. Some cereal. If you seen the other video, I had cereal and I put a little bit of brown butter. Now with that, I didn't put it in the oven to let it toast up. This time, I did. So I'm gonna put that on top of it. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the custard that I already have left over. I'm gonna put that aside. Y'all forgot to also show you I had left over that cream cheese. You got, like I said, you guys see that video, and I'm gonna use this as well. I'm gonna put that oil in there first. That brown butter, 1/2 cup. Just 1 egg for now. I think supposed to break it. If we keep having this conversation. But it just not embarrass me, I know that much. Okay. It calls for 1 1/4 cup of water. I'm just gonna use 1/2 cup, half and half. And now I'm gonna put in that bourbon, 1/4 cup. I'm gonna take that and mix it up now. Okay, I done mixed it up. Now I'm gonna put in some of my peaches. That's a little, well, majority of it, because the rest is just I'm gonna top it off. I don't need that much. Just go ahead and mix that in there. Another video, I know you ain't supposed to dib and dab in the batter once you put the egg in it, but who cares? I'm gonna taste mine. See if I need to add some more like nutmeg or cinnamon. Alright, don't get me wrong, that is good, but I feel like I need to add some more nutmeg because I'm tasting the majority of that birthday cake flavor. Now, no measurement, but just sprinkle some in there. You ain't gotta overdo it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon too. Just mix it up. I'm gonna taste test again to see if I need to, add a little additional than what I already added. Okay, it is giving more. I think that's good enough. I don't overdo it. I got my muffin tins already greased with some oil, and I'm just gonna put this batter in there. We're gonna do that for the rest of them. I put it all in there. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Let's read the back of the box. It lets you know, like, if you're making a bundt cake, muffins, just follow the reason the box. I'll let you know how long it cooked, and I'll be back. Louis will. Okay, now I had this actually cool. It did flatten up a little bit, but it's okay. I had to let this cool for additional hours, so about 2 hours. When I tell you this is like crumble muffins, because it's falling all apart. The cream cheese, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on top, and now no, I'm not gonna make it all fancy and pretty. I'm not doing all that. Get somebody else to do it. Put a little bit on there. That's about it. Now, if you want to, you can like straighten it out and spread it. I'm not doing that. Now I'm gonna put the peaches on there. Peaches. I just go ahead and put that on there. Alright, now I'm gonna put the crumbles on there. That's so pretty. So decorative. Oh, I did try some of the crumbles by myself. Delicioso. You already know cinnamon toast is already good, but and that brown butter to it and toasted it up. Delicioso. Y'all see it? I kind of like already know how, well, I do know how it tastes because the first time when I let it rest for about an hour, I attempted to take it out the pan. I think it was the second one for all apart, and I was like, yeah, I think I need to, it's cool additionally. So when I let it cool for like another hour, even though it cooled down, I realized it was giving crumble muffin. Like it was coming all apart like crumble cookies. Then it was delicioso. But I'm gonna try it again right now for y'all. Okay, first I'm gonna get to the cupcake by itself without the stuff on top of it. Oh, there's some peach in here. It is good and moist. Now taste those spices. I haven't tasted the peach, but I do taste those spices. I said peach right here. Peaches, come back, peach. I don't know if you can see. Good. Just like I thought it would. What's actually better than I thought it would. It's so moist. The spices, I already liked it. The peaches, if you looked at my other video, if you didn't, shame on you. But you know, you still got a chance to watch it to redeem yourself. It's just like when you have something to redeem and you don't redeem it then, sometimes it gives you days. You still got a chance. I just put it out. And I forgot this is only the cake part. Alright, let me get into with the cream cheese, the peaches, and the don't start now. The peaches, the cream cheese, and everything, pretty much. Toast to me. I already said it before, and I said it again. Delicioso. This is good. And then the salt from the butter bounce it off. I already like brown butter. A lot of recipes don't call for salted butter. They use unsalted butter and just add that pinch of salt, but I like that salted butter better. Oh my goodness, it's good. It's still sweet, but not over sweet because that salt, like, oh my goodness. It's good. Moist, good, taste the spices. Please try this recipe. The other video, when I put the cereal, I put the brown butter, that was so good, but when you actually in the oven to like let it get crispy hard, so much better. Oh my goodness. 10. 10 all day, baby. I ain't finna waste no time. I know I always play with y'all. Well, actually, I'm being serious. You feel me? Even though my son like I'm playing, but I'm being serious. When I say, hit this recipe up, I really mean that.
A few moments later.
You know, I'm doing my best to like do this review without, you know, like not trying to display exactly how I feel. I'm just like a little bit, not so emotions, but kind of like this person that I